Namaste everybody, I'm Paul, this is Yoganity, and welcome to day one of our 7-day breathwork journey. The reason I've done it for 7 days is because it's the first one I've taught online, and I think it'd be nice to keep it short and sweet and informative. So the purpose of this 7-day journey is just to experience a different breathing or pranayama or Shat Kriya, a cleansing technique, throughout this 7-day period. Like I said, I hope it's going to be informative and just broaden people's horizons about the different breathing techniques we can use and how they affect the systems within the body and how they feel with you individually. You know, it's all about you. It's how you feel. How does my body feel? Do I feel light and expansive? Do I feel tight and contracted? And through breath, we can always remove any tightness within the body, any constriction or tension within the body. Breath is a fantastic way of removing these things what we don't desire anymore. Anything that we don't desire, we can move on and release through breath. So today's breathing technique is going to be, you can call it a couple of different things. Full yogic breath, or the three-part breath is also what a lot of teachers like to call it. So today I might use three-part breath or full yogic breathing. Either or, it's the same. So generally, on a day-to-day basis, we normally just have this shallow laboured breath, this shallow inhale and exhale. We only kind of use between like 10 and 15% of the full lung capacity. And generally when we do breathe, we're breathing into the upper parts of the chest, which is like this fight and flight. It causes a lot of tension within the body. We barely breathe down into the belly. And use the lower parts of the lung, which press the diaphragm down and go into the belly, into the intestines, which has this connection with the parasympathetic nervous system, which has this calming effect in the body, in the mind. So today's class, we're going to do the three-part breath. We'll do it in 3 stages. We'll do it practice just breathing into the belly to start off with, then the belly and the middle of the chest, and then the third part will be the full breathing into the belly, into the middle of the chest, and then into the upper parts of the chest and the shoulders. So you can do this either laying down or sat up. It's entirely up to you, whatever feels comfortable for you. And you can also place one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, just to have that feeling of the body moving with the breath. I would suggest that if you're new to this breathing technique, that you start off with the hand on the chest and on the belly. And also it can be a lot easier if you lay down to really feel that expansion, because you can feel the breath going into the back of the body also. But again, it's up to you. This is your practice. I'm just here to guide you through it. So whichever you've chosen, if you're laying down or you're sat up, just try and keep length within the spine. Even if you're sat on the couch or in a chair, the goal is to try and keep length in the spine. We don't want to slouch over or lean back and have a hollow back. Let's keep that length within the spine. So pressing down through the sit bones and lifting up through the crown of the head. Have that visualization of doing it even if you're laid down. So you can sit in a comfortable cross-legged seated position if you're all sat up. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the left hand on the stomach. We're going to close the eyes and close the mouth. And we're just going to inhale deeply through the nose. And just feel the expansion of the belly. And then exhale through the nose. And feel this belly draw back in. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale. Feeling the belly push against the hand, and exhale. 1 more time, inhale, and exhale. Softly open the eyes. So we just did the breath 3 times there, just so we can understand what I mean by breathing into the belly, feeling that expansion as we draw down into the bottom of the lungs, activate the parasympathetic nervous system, this relax and chill kind of. You know, we don't always want to be in this fight and flight mode. We want the body to relax. It's about balance within the body, within the systems. So we're going to do this now for 1 minute, breathing into the belly. Nice deep inhales, nice deep exhales. After the minute, we'll just inhale softly. We'll hold the breath for around about 10 seconds and then we'll release and we'll sit in stillness for a couple of seconds before we move on to the second stage. Happy? Beautiful. So I can have the left hand on the stomach if you wish to. Close the eyes, close the mouth. And we'll start breathing into the belly. As you inhale deeply through the nose, down into the bottom of the lungs, into the abdomen, really have that sense and cooling sensation within the body. As we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest. You can have that visual aspect. Visualize the air going all the way down from the tip of the nose into the lower parts of the belly, into the abdomen. With your next inhale, inhale deeply and hold the breath. And exhale softly, release. Release the breath, release the hand from the stomach back down onto the knees if you're in a seated position. And just feel into the body. Notice any changes within the body, within the mind. Feel the expansion of the lungs, the expansion of the abdomen as we breathe with awareness and with purpose into the lower parts of the lung, expanding and using the lungs as they should be used. Softly coming back, I invite you to open your eyes. So we're going to move on to the second part of the practice, where we'll continue to breathe into the lower parts of the belly, but into the middle of the chest. So if you wish to place the right hand on the chest for this practice, you can do. It's entirely up to you. And again, we'll just do this 3 times together before we start the minute practice. So let's sit nice and tall, close the eyes. Let's inhale into the stomach, and then into the middle chest. And then exhale from the middle of the chest, and then from the stomach. 2 more times, inhale. Stomach out into the middle of the chest. And exhale, chest and stomach. Last time, inhale. Exhale. Relax the hands down, open the eyes. As you can see, now we're breathing into the lower parts of the belly, into the center of the chest, and then we release from the center of the chest and then the belly on the last part of the exhale. So again, we'll sit nice and tall. You place the left hand on the belly, the right hand around about the solar plexus or the center of the chest, entirely up to you. We'll sit nice and tall. We'll again do this for 1 minute. Inhale into the belly, into the center of the chest. Exhale from the center of the chest, and then the belly. And continue at your own pace, with your own rhythm. Now keeping that visualization as you inhale deeply, breathing into the lower parts of the belly, into the abdomen, the expansion, and then into the middle of the chest. And as you exhale, release from the middle of the chest, then the lower parts of the lungs from the abdomen, and feel the belly move back in towards the spine. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. And exhale, release from the center of the chest. And then the belly, release the hands. Or if you're in a laying position, keep the hands exactly where they are. And again, just feel into the body, notice any tingling sensations, subtle vibrations as we oxygenate the body. And allow the oxygen and the carbon monoxide to transfer fully, bringing that vital energy into the system. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. And now we're going to do the full three-part breath. So we're going to start by inhaling into the belly, feel the expansion, into the middle chest, feeling the expansion, and then right at the end we'll sniff. Inhale, slightly lift the shoulders, and then we'll relax and we'll exhale from the top of the chest, from the middle chest, and then the belly. And we'll just start that practice without doing it 2 or 3 times. We kind of got the picture now. We've done the belly and the middle chest. So let's place the left hand on the belly, the right hand in the center of the heart, or the heart center in the chest. Sit nice and tall, and again we'll do this practice for 1 minute, really filling the lungs and breathing to the full capacity of the system. Let's start the practice. Inhale, belly, middle chest, and then upper chest, sniffing, and then release. Continue at your own rhythm and pace.
Again, as you inhale deeply, filling the belly, feeling it bulge against the hand, and then breathing into the center of the lungs. As you continue to inhale into the upper parts of the lungs, you can slightly lift the shoulders, really filling the lungs, and then relax the shoulders. And then exhale deeply through the nose. Feel the full expansion of the chest, expansion of the lungs, the vital energy flowing throughout the body, the prana, the life force, breathing into every single cell within the body. The calming of the mind, the calming of the body.
Inhale, hold the breath. Exhale, release the breath, the shoulders, the middle chest and the belly. Relax the hands down, relax the shoulders, relax the whole body. Become aware of any feelings of expansion within the body, subtle vibrations and sensations. The purification and detoxification of the blood. The transfer of oxygen and carbon monoxide. Filling the body with prana and vital energy. Softly coming back, I invite you to open your eyes. I don't know about you guys, but I feel this kind of really energized system now, but with this calming sensation at the same time, and little tingling sensations throughout the body, subtle vibrations. This deep breathing really enhances the blood flow throughout the body, boosting the vital energy within the systems, connecting with the parasympathetic nervous system, this relaxing and chilling kind of vibe within the body, bringing balance into the system. I hope you enjoyed the practice. I hope you join me on the mat tomorrow for day 2 of this 7-day breathwork journey. As always, if you like the video, click like and subscribe, leave comments, ask any questions. I'm always here, I'm always around, I'll always get back to you. And if there's any particular breath work or breathing technique which you want to know about and what you would like to practice within this 7 days, of course, I could always do that too. So yeah, wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Feeling nice and chilled and expansive at the same time, with this vitality flowing throughout the body with ease and abundance. Namaste.